Hi, good evening. So today for the first session, it will be only me. So Hairil will join us. Alright. So for the first, thing we'll start today. So for today, we have quite a number of interesting products. So hopefully the product that kita bawa untuk malam ni so will be beneficial lah for everyone. So okay, I think there are quite a number of product actually. So I think let me share the screen. So if anyone is watching already start to watch our live, maybe can say hi or just send some emoticons or anything. So just to know that whoever is online or joining the live for today's session. And I hope my voice is clear. So if my voice is not clear, just inform me. So I will just make sure that everything is going smoothly. Since I'm only me today for the beginning, so just want to ensure that. Right. So we have Fred Benton. Hey, hi, Fred. Thanks for joining. I think this is the first time I'm seeing your name. So sorry if I didn't recall your name previously. And thanks for joining. And from Faisal, Assalamualaikum, Waalaikumsalam, Saiful. Terima kasih join Saiful. And good evening. Yep, good evening. And we have Cik Muhammad Farid. Hi, Cik Muhammad Farid. And we have Mr. Shanmugam Raj. Thank you, Mr. Shanmugam, for joining us today. Right, I think we can start with our first product. We have around 7 products that we would like to share with you all today. So hopefully, all this product will be beneficial or give some insight to you. Right. Okay, we have a few more joining us. Roichi Peng. Hi, Roichi Peng. Thanks for joining. And we have uh, Giridhar Chenji. Hi. Hopefully, I'm pronouncing your name correctly. And today alone. Yeah, Haire will join a bit later. Haire will join a bit later. I think he has some things to catch up, so later he will join us. And Bellalen, hi, night, good evening, Bellalen. And we have Nether Media. Hi, Nether Media. Thanks for joining. Right, so I think we can start with our first product for today. Right, so okay, we have another one from Pic Hua. Hi, Pic Hua. Thanks for joining. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, for the first product for today. So this is related to the Raspberry Pi 5 product. So this is the ML 2020 RTC battery for Raspberry Pi 5. So if you recall, the Raspberry Pi 5 comes with a dedicated RTC port. If you recall back, let me see. Okay, I think I need to zoom a bit so that it will be clearer for you. Yep. Okay, so if you recall that there is a port there. Okay, it is not here. Okay, maybe I'll just open the Raspberry Pi 5 window so that we can recall. So just okay, so this one to just share the picture with you so that you can remember. Okay, so this is the RTC port. So this RTC port. So here you can connect the dedicated battery. So now we have the okay, let's go back to the previous screen. Oh, see, this is the dedicated RTC, the battery lah, basically. So this connector is compatible with the Raspberry Pi 5 connector. So basically, what you need to know about this one is this is a rechargeable battery. So it is rechargeable and is compatible with the Raspberry Pi 5 RTC battery port. So this is compatible. The header pin is compatible. So and this another thing to take note is that the battery drains with a standard current of 0.12 milliampere, so which is only enough to power up an RTC. So it is not suitable to be used as a normal 3-volt power supply. So you can't use it for any other purpose, just for RTC alone. So I think everyone is know RTC is a real-time clock. So real-time clock is to keep up the real-time clock basically. So for certain application, the RTC is quite crucial. So you want to you need to record the time. I mean, for instance, like one of the thing that I can quickly recall is for the if you're doing some data logging whereby the RTC is very crucial. So there's no the time to be recorded, even though you may have the Wi-Fi or what, but in terms when the power is cut off, RTC need to be running. So definitely you need to have the RTC, right? So okay, so that's about the first product. So these are the features actually. So the nominal voltage is 3 volt, the charging voltage is 2.8 to 3.2 volt, and the continuous drain standard drain is 0.12 milliampere. The nominal capacity is 45 milliampere hour. Right? And another thing is this one is very small. This is very small so that it can fit inside any case. For instance, you can just put a double-sided tape. It is mentioned here also in the description here. So you can put a battery to stick. You can put a adhesive on the both sides so that it can stick inside the case. So it won't consume much space. So even if you are having a case for the Raspberry Pi, you can put inside the case. It shouldn't be any problem. Right. So we have some comments here. So before we move on to the before I go for the comments, we just want to know the price. The price for this product is RM25 ringgit. At the moment, we don't have any in stock. It's available for back order only. So if you are planning to purchase a Raspberry Pi 5, so I would say that you can try to back order this so that you can receive the Raspberry Pi 5 later once it's available for you to order with the RTC battery as well. Right. So let's see. This is a comment from the Fred Brendan. I'm in love with your products, by the way. Earlier, just looking admiring your Maker Pi Pico. I bought 30 of them for my project. Oh, thanks, Fred Brendan. May I know from where are you from, Fred Brendan? And maybe you can talk about the project maybe later, lah. Actually, and we have another program also. We call it Borat Tech. So if you're interested in joining, then you can just like PM me. Then we can have a 30-minute slot. So just to talk about your project. We haven't been doing it for quite few weeks actually. So if you have any volunteers or any makers out there who wants to share about their project, you're most welcome to let me know so that later we can have a slot for you to share about your project. And thanks for the encouragement. We need all this kind of encouragement to keep up the good work, and hopefully whatever product that we are bringing is beneficial for all the makers and everyone out there. Right. Okay, then we have from Roichi Peng some comments. When will ultrasonic sensor restock? Okay, then the one I need to check with the product team, so they will have the answer. But usually, ultrasonic is a ultrasonic. I think you mentioned ultrasonic sensor, right? So later we will. I don't have the answer right now. Maybe you can try to message our genies so that we can have your message there, and we will try to reply as soon as possible. And we have Chris saying hi Chris, and Jackie Chai hi, and Silver Chua hi. Thanks for joining in, guys. And Candy Wong hi, and I agree, Fred. Today I have used. Nelo Media is another our loyal customer, I would say. I think I can say it as a loyal customer because Alena has been supporting us from all the way from US. So it's great. It's a great support for us, and keep on to support us so that we can bring in more and more good and beneficial products for all the makers out there. And this like CMOS battery. Yes, Shanmuga. This is like something like the CMOS battery, correct? Yep. Usually we have in normal microcontrollers, we don't see unless you are having a separate module. If you are having a separate module, usually it's optional. I mean, if you are having a project, then only we will use it. But this one for the Raspberry Pi 5, it's come to on board itself. So it's like it's way more easier. You just need to plug in the battery and you can have the RTC. And my devices are used in automotive application with voltages as high as 16 volt VDC with constant power. Oh, is it more like to power? I think it's like more to power devices, right? And take and see How small? Oh, the battery. Are you referring to the battery? Actually, I don't have it in my hand. So if I have one in my hand, then definitely I will be happy to show. Yeah, we have Hairil.
Hello, hello,
Yeah,
hello. What's up,
Rochi Peng was
guys?
asking you, Hairil. Tanya, mana Hairil? Seorang je. Mana Hairil? Hari ni seorang je ke?
Sorry, sorry. Ada problem sikit tadi.
Oh, kita
Okay.
kita baru je sembang pasal first product lah. So okay lah.
Okay, okay.
Baru je habis sembang pasal first product dan tengah baca komen-komen.
Okay.
And we have from Edwin T. Hi, hi. Okay. Today we have kita ada ramai viewers baru actually today.
Oh,
So it's
yeah.
good ah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think we have Fred Burton, but I'm not sure Fred from when lah. Dia tak introduce lagi. And as usual we have Nello Media, and but actually Fred is our customer also. He already bought like Maker Pi Pico. He bought 30 of the Maker Pi Pico.
Oh,
Yep,
okay.
banyak lah. And we have from Eden Yong Kit Tan. Hi Eden. I recall your name previously, but haven't heard your name for quite some time. I'm not sure if is it you or a different person. Right?
Yeah. I think Rochi Peng asked about the size, right, for the battery.
Yep. So I was
Uh,
asking about the battery.
Actually, I also don't have the battery with me, but I can say that the size of the battery can fit in the PoE head. Let's say lah, you want to use the Raspberry Pi 5, right? With the PoE head, you can put in under the PoE head lah. So it's very small lah.
Yep. So it's very small. The size is very small. Yep. Maybe later once we have in hand, maybe later we can just show it to you lah in case you are interested, right? Maybe once we have with our hand, then we'll just let you know. Right then, okay, we have from Media another comment before we move. Then Cytron Uno will handle up to 24 VDC on the V-in pin. This is very true, as my devices are designed to measure temperature and voltages in real time. I would not use another board. Thanks for the compliment, Nelo Media. Yeah, I mean, we are really glad. I mean, whatever design we are bringing in is useful lah. So it's good to it is good to hear that. And okay, we have from Shanmugam, those new products launches, please notify through WhatsApp. Okay, Shanmugam, actually for this one, like the product here, right? For the back order, you can straight away click here. And if the product is not available, for instance, maybe we can go back to the Raspberry Pi 5 mainboard just now. So if you see here, this product is not available for order now. So we have this notify me button. So if you click the notify me button, so once the product is available, it's ready for you to order, and you will get a notification to your email actually.
Yeah.
So once you notify, then you can place the order lah. So far we are doing the notification through through email, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah.
For WhatsApp, I can try suggest lah to IT, but I don't know if got request from customer can consider lah.
Because we can't promise lah, but what we are saying is that we will try to bring this to the IT lah, because this is the first time we are getting this request actually.
Request, yeah.
Yeah, so maybe different people have different preferences. So maybe like people prefer to have notification on the WhatsApp, right? For the moment, you can just click the notify me button, Shanmugam. So if you click the notify me button, so you'll be notified once the product is available for you to order, right? And we have one more comments about 20mm times 2mm should be thicker since it got extra cover. Yeah, slightly thicker, but definitely it can fit inside the casing. So shouldn't be any issue on that. Right, and Shanmugam said thank you. Yeah, you're most welcome, Mr. Shanmugam. You're most welcome. Right, so I think we can move to the next product for today.
Yeah, we have special product for today, so we need to go faster a bit.
Yeah, on that product we will spend a bit more time.
Yeah.
Right, this is a digital multimeter kit. So it's a normal multimeter. It's a digital multimeter, and it is with 1 decimal point.
Yeah, I have the multimeter with me. Actually, from Placebo.
So wait, let me just bring your screen so that everyone can see the multimeter. Okay.
So the size is actually quite smaller lah compared to other multimeter. But
Mm-hmm.
the best thing about this kit is it come with the extra accessory lah. For example, of course this one come together lah, and then a few crocodile clip, then a screwdriver, and then manual. Yeah, and you also will get the ebook. So you need to scan the QR lah. So free ebook. Yes, and the price also is cheaper compared to other multimeter.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why lah I can see that a few people start buying after we launch this.
Ah, okay. Oh, good, good, good. Oh, the ebook is a quite new thing, because usually when we buy a multimeter, they only a like basic guide, but this one like
Yeah.
this now it said the mastering the art of measurement ebook. Yeah. So maybe it shows the tricks on using the digital multimeter lah.
Yep.
Because usually there are a few things you can do actually. I mean, uh, not. I mean the tricks are the one usually we don't use it, but it's good to know how
Mm-hmm.
to have that skill. I mean to use the digital multimeter.
Yep.
Because I mean, multimeter is a very handy tool. I mean, if you're into making projects or anything, usually we want to measure the voltage, the current, the continuity, the resistance. So actually, if you're not into a very serious project and just a normal project, a simple multimeter like this would be very useful and will become very handy lah to use.
Yeah,
Right.
even with the video, the the person test this multimeter with the socket plug, so it can measure 240 volt lah.
Oh, is it this video is quite long? Just
Um,
2 minutes.
I can skip at the at the end lah, ujung-ujung sikit.
Oh, okay. Yes.
So dia ada measure socket plug ni, lepas tu dapat lah precise lah 239 kot dia dapat. So memang reliable lah ada multimeter ni. So nampak lah.
120.
Oh this one 120 volt ya.
Ni is for overseas
Betul.
Yeah. So this one is capable lah. So if you're there the LED also.
Ya LED. Backlight lah.
So it's quite
Okay, I think that's all lah for this multimeter.
so maybe later boleh ni lah come to the product page to see more about the product. And this one also comes with the backlight, and the maximum value is 199 lah, and 31 by half. So the backlight, when you press, it will on and it will stay on for about 10 seconds lah. Right, so yeah, for the more detail boleh datang ke product page as usual. You can always come to know the product page and see the details lah. Alright, so the price for this product, the actual price untuk this product is 45 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product. So you can grab this for 36 ringgit lah. Currently we have 6 in stock and 5 days left before the offer ends. So try to grab this while the offer price and the stock lasts. Right, so let's move to the next product.
Special product.
Special
Highlight
product.
lah, highlight for
The
today.
highlight for today lah. Okay, before that, just to ada seorang Roy Chipeng tanya soalan, any special for 11/11? I don't think so. 11/11.
11 we don't have lah, but teaser lah. At the end of this year we'll have sale lah. Itulah just teaser lah.
Akan ada something lah, tak tahu nanti kita akan umum lah.
Yeah.
Coming soon with Deepavali. I'm not sure. I mean, at the moment there's no any plan yet lah. There's no any plan yet. But definitely if anything, they will update in our social media and in our web page lah, our website. So you can always come to the website to know more about detail. Right. So this is the highlight product for today. So if many people are asking what is IRIV, IRIV PiControl. So this is our first Cytron industrial product actually. So
Yeah.
previously, whatever product that we have shown is only for the education and the makers level, and this time this is our very first. You can see our first baby for the industrial product.
Yes.
So okay, I think I'll just play a video first. It's a 3-minute video so that you can have a
Can.
idea on how this product. I mean, what the product is all about. Uh,
No sound kot.
ada sekarang ada bunyi kat?
Tak ada. Tak ada sound.
Tak ada sound.
Tak ada.
Sekarang
Tak ada.
tak ada juga.
Kena share balik. So maybe some of you guys wondering how come we come out with IRIV. IRIV is actually IR 4.0 lah. The last IV is 4 lah. So IR is Industrial Revolution and then 4 is 4.0 lah. So that name is, we get it from ChatGPT lah.
Okay, so hopefully now I have the sound.
Raspberry Pi 4 Module B, Compute Module 3
Ada
and
sound.
also Compute Module 4. And from their feedback, they wanted the controller to have industrial standard. One of it is wide voltage range. And beside, they also wanted that controller to be programmable, wide community support, open and also stable. So IRIV come from all this feedback.
IRIV PiControl is an industrial controller powered by the Raspberry Pi CM4. It is designed from the ground up for IR 4.0 application, and it features some of the very essential industrial interfaces such as the RS485, RS232, digital input-output as well as analog input. All these interfaces are actually isolated, which offer better surge protection and also noise immunity.
So in this first ever industrial product made by Cytron, I've been involving in designing the enclosure, the casing for this IRIV PiControl.
So IRIV stand for IRIV, where the IR is Industrial Revolution, IV come from Roman numerals, which is 4, Industrial Revolution 4.0.
But that's not all. IRIV PiControl also comes with dual internet port, where usually people use one for the IT network and another one for the OT network. There's also an option to add on an additional 4G module for extended connectivity.
So what I've done is that I've been drawing CAD design and also 3D printing it just to make sure that we have a prototype, test it out so everything suits nice for your application. And the reason that we wanted to have this enclosure, this casing for our industrial product is that it's not only a protective barrier for the internal PCB, but also this enclosure will be act as a heat sink for heat dissipation while this thing is running in your production floor. And also, we'll be making this enclosure to be thin wheel mountable, so this can be mounted on your production floor, the production lines.
Now IRIV is for system integrator or solution provider that is familiar with Raspberry Pi OS or Raspberry Pi ecosystem. It can be programmed to interface or to communicate with equipment, machine and also sensor module, collecting data and send to the cloud as an IoT gateway and for control and monitoring purpose.
So for those who are seeking for a robust industrial controller and at the same time want to leverage on the versatility of the Raspberry Pi ecosystem, then the IRIV PiControl is your best option.
Right, so that's our first ever industrial product. So actually, it has a lot of capabilities actually, and yeah, we can share quite a few of the things to highlight, right? So this is built based on the Raspberry Pi system ecosystem, like what you have heard just now, and this one it's very there's limitless. I mean, there's a lot of capabilities to apply in the industry projects actually. So if you're looking for RS485, it has the RS232, it has the digital input output, it has the analog capabilities, and it has the Wi-Fi, and also since the Raspberry Pi, and also even if you want to have a 4G, it also has that capability as well. So this more is if you are looking at the edge computing, the application for the application, it can be applied for the edge computing, IoT gateway, data logging and monitoring, energy management, industrial automation and control, robotic and autonomous system. So this is one. It's not a normal PLC lah. I mean, if you're maybe some of you guys maybe already work with PLC kan. It's not a normal PLC. A normal PLC, you just have like one single module with one capabilities. Like just say you have a single module to the processor, you have one processor. Then for digital, you need to have another module. For analog, you need to have another module. But this one is like more like integrated. But even though the pins are limited, but you have most of the features there. Like I mentioned, the RS485, RS232, and this one can be extended. I mean, if you need more, then it can be extended as well. And moreover, it also comes with the HDMI port. Let me just let us see the. I just want to show you the. Ada gambar tu ada je. Oh, sini tak ada. Okay, so it comes with the HDMI port, the USB port, and you also have the SIM card slot there. And also you have 2 gigabyte. I mean, like if you're ever like doing the Modbus using the TCP IP, so this one will be a very good option. Right. So actually we can talk a lot more about this, but I think we'll be running out of time. But definitely this one is we are most welcome lah. I mean, if you want to know more detail and want to know the details of this product, you are most welcome to contact our genies. Then we will be very happy to provide you with more details lah. Right, no, ini adalah testimonial lah from our partner lah. Dia yang siapa yang dah guna produk ni and what they feel about using this product.
Saya boleh mute sound.
Oh, okay. Oh, dia ni echo Alright, okay. Right, so I hope yang explanation tadi clear kot. Tak ada nak kacau sangat kot echo tadi. And this one dia powered by CM4 lah. This one using the CM4 lah. CM4 is quite powerful. So this one is powered by that CM4. Right. Okay, so we have some comments here from. Okay, I think just now the sound does sound. Then yeah, this one is the Industry Revolution, the IR 4.0 lah. And from Edward Pascal. Oh yeah, you saw. But yeah, Ober was there. Ober was there just now. And how about 5.0? 5.0 not yet lah.
Slowly lah.
I want over famous artist. And can't wait to try out. You should try, Edward. Actually, another thing to highlight about this product, this is the first ever product that we have this money back guarantee program.
Yes.
So for you to be untuk layak untuk dapatkan money back guarantee program, we need to have a like visual consultation with our expert. We want to know the details of the project and everything, so that basically it's like we need to know about the project and everything so that you'll be eligible for the money back guarantee program.
Yeah. Then need to highlight also the money back guarantee program is valid until 17 November. So means that if you buy after that, you you don't have
keistimewaan.
Keistimewaan lah. This
for the money back guarantee tak eligible lah, tak dapat. So you can book your slot now. I mean, now you already can book the slot. So if you are interested, maybe Edward is interested, so you can try to join the money back guarantee program.
Yeah, actually we already have a few company approaches, and then they will meet with Ober and Sekong lah, and then they will share the projects.
Yeah. So ini
industrial part.
not many people aware lah. So that's why we are keep on highlighting the money back guarantee program lah. So this one is a good opportunity lah actually. I mean, if you are really want to try but macam teragak-agak kan, macam sesuai ke tak sesuai ke. So this one will give you a comfort, orang kata apa, comfort feeling lah to invest your money. Because I mean, yalah, now everyone pun risau kan nak invest money untuk beli kan. So this one will be a good opportunity lah. Alright, so okay, another comment. Okay, then more thumbs up. Oh, more right thumbs up. Thanks for right. Then kita ada Edward. Oh, HDMI, do you have a screen grab of the UI? For the screen, we don't have a specific kan, Haril?
No, for now lah.
Tak, I mean any HDMI boleh support as long
boleh.
Normal like just like a normal Raspberry Pi lah.
Yalah, sebab dia
boleh
pakai
support.
based on Raspberry Pi juga kan. So
HDMI dia boleh support. As long dia support HDMI, the screen should be, any TV also boleh support. Shouldn't be any issue lah. Double sound, maybe because ni kot saya punya ni kot tadi echo. Sorry. And it's a new program. Yeah, this is the new program. So this is the first time ever we are having this program, and it's for limited time only. Like Hairil mentioned, until 17 November je. Until 17 November. So if you are interested, then you can try to book a slot with us. And also IRIV money back guarantee program. And try don't like get but this one you cannot simply buy and try nah. You need to book the slot, then you'll have a like you need to know, we need to understand about the nature of your project and everything. So once that then only we can decide that you are eligible lah. Mostly like if you're from industry and you're working on something, most of the time I believe you will be eligible lah. If there's no issue, then it should be eligible lah. And Raspberry Pi OS. This one we didn't highlight just now. Okay, this one is runs on the Raspberry Pi OS. So you don't need to. So Raspberry Pi OS, so you can run this one in a normal, like if you're familiar with Node-RED, so definitely you can run this device, the IRIV, with the Node-RED or any other industrial program software.
Maybe
yes, Irene?
Maybe can highlight also the OLED display, right? That one we use it for to display the IP address lah. So when you
you don't need to go and the one is another hassle. We need to highlight that one also. Sometimes it's quite hassle in the industry if you don't know the IP address. Just say you're configuring your device for the Modbus and you want you're configuring your device using the TCP IP and you don't know the IP address. You don't want to go to the device and plug in your Ethernet cable and go to the system and everything just to get the IP address. So since we have the OLED on the side here, let me show.
Main image ada kot. Try tengok main image.
Ni.
Yeah.
On the side here, you have this the display, OLED display, and here it will be displayed all the details. So this will be very easier lah for your works. I think that's the only one, right? Yep.
That's
yang ada gambar punya tak ada sangat.
Dalam video ada lah tapi
dalam video tadi ada, betul? Right. And then Mr. Shanmugam ada, please share product catalog. We don't have a specific product catalog, Mr. Shanmugam. Usually in the product page we cover everything, the details of the product. But if you think that the information provided here is not sufficient or you have more question, you are most welcome to contact our genies. So we will try to answer your question, or if you have any queries, we will try our best to answer it. Or maybe even if you are planning to get one, maybe you can just try to book a slot with us, so you can see if you are. If you are this will be suit to your project or how. Right. So that's about the product. Actually, we can talk more detail about this, but since we have a few more products more to go, and also this one is Dinre because another thing is for in the industry. Usually we have this like the cabinet and everything, right? And this one will be DIN rail mounted. So another feature with this is the DIN rail mounted, so it can be easily mounted. So you don't need any screw or what. This is like using the spring concept. So you just slide on the top and you just push it. It will just fix nicely on the DIN rail. And you have few ways of mounting it. You can use it on the sideways or horizontal or vertically also is possible. And another thing is the heat sink. If you see the video just now, there's no any fan inside it because the enclosure itself is a heat sink. So I think at the moment I think
passive cooling lah, passive
passive cooling. Yep.
Yep.
I think most of the devices now are moving towards the passive cooling lah, because the passive cooling is I think much more efficient lah. Because fan sometimes, I mean, if you're running it for 24/7 for quite some time, the fan also can get heat. So you're producing extra heat inside the device, and you have the wear and tear issue and everything. So the enclosure, using the enclosure as the heat sink is a good option also. So we applied that in our product here. So hopefully it will be that's the best option. Right. So for more, this is what I mentioned just now. You have three different way of mounting it. So in the picture you can see how you can get it mounted. And what else? Yeah, these are the detail of the product. So like we mentioned just now, it has 2 USB port. For the wireless, you have the option of 2.4 or 5 gigahertz, and for the storage, it's expandable. You have 3 options: 8 GB, 16 GB, or 32 GB with the eMMC, and it is expandable with the NVMe SSD. And the rest, I think you can just come to the product page here to know more about the product. And it is the power supply. This device run on the DC supply range from 10 to 30 volts DC volt, and it is surge protected. And all our digital input outputs are all isolated, so you have a protection. So you don't need to worry about that. These are the details of the inside the hardware of the product. You have the Gigabyte Ethernet, and you have the normal Ethernet port. You have the LED indicator, power LED indicator. You have the micro SIM socket, and the 4G module, power LED, 4G one activity. So this one is very comprehensive product. I mean, these are the details of the product here, the block diagram. So if you can see, this is what I mentioned just now. It's all isolated. It doesn't really. I mean, isolation is usually for industrial product. Isolation is something that's required. I mean, you don't want to damage your device, right? So isolation is one of the things which industry will be looking forward to. Right, so that's about our IRIV product. So the price, let's see about the price. So for the now, we have the 2 options available. The first one is the CM4 with wireless, 4 GB RAM with 32 GB eMMC, and this one will cost you 1,450 ringgit. And the second one is the CM4 with wireless, 2 GB RAM and 16 GB eMMC, and this one the price is at 1,345 ringgit. And this one okay, and both these are available for back order. So we estimate that we have 30 units by 27 will be available. So it's available for back order now. End of this month, yep. So it's available for back order. So if you're interested, you can try to book your slot, or you can have the back order. You can place the order now. So later once it's restocked, then you don't need to rush to get it. And another thing, I think we have some comments also here before that. Okay, Shanmugam say noted. From Akbar, the OLED can also be used for other purpose, right? Like I can program it myself to do something else other than showing IP. Yeah, I think for that, I think Ober answered the question actually. It's programmable. By default, I think it will just show the IP lah. But if you like you asked Akbar, so if you need you want to display a custom value, just say like you want to show the temperature or any sensor value, yeah, it's possible to do so. And from Edward, inside the semiconductor, it's quite cool. So I think fanless cooling should be good. Thanks for the info, Edward. So yeah, maybe if they have any requirement in the semiconductor factory, then maybe they can try to use this IRIV PiControl as well. Right, so that's about the product here. Yeah, as we mentioned, this one is we have the money back guarantee program. So try to utilize it. So if you are interested, just contact our genies. So we'll be very happy to answer your questions and to help you to see if this product will suit your application, or will suit your projects, or what. Right, so let's move to the next product. I think we spent quite some time on this already. So let's move to the next product. Yang tu je kan, kita tak miss apa kan untuk IRIV kan. So I think we covered almost lah
Yeah,
semua
yeah,
kita cover
yeah.
kot. Right, so okay, yang ni mini base A-board metal case for Raspberry Pi CM4. This one is not a new product.
Yes.
Okay, this one we already talked about this quite some time.
This one actually, just want to let you guys know lah. Actually, we already have the Raspberry CM4 Compute Module 4 single board available lah, so ready stock. So we also come out with a few new CKit, which is the CM4 with the expansion board, carrier board. So you can choose lah. If you want to buy the single board, you can go to the CM4 single board page. If you want to buy the bundle one, you can buy it here lah.
Right. So here we have like few options for you. So this is the first option, the carrier board with CM4.
CM4 RAM 2GB RAM
2GB with a
16GB eMMC.
EMC, yeah,
Yes.
EMC. So this one will cost you 414, and this one with the 4GB, okay, so
4GB
4GB with 8GB eMMC with the power
Yes.
supply unit.
Yes.
And this one is a carrier board only. If you plan to just to get the carrier board only, so this is the option. And if you're planning to get the enclosure only, the case only, and this is the option. So for the product here, if you see, there's no any discount available for this all, because this all our previous product, we just make it into the variation kit, CKit.
Yes.
CKit, right? You call it, something like-
Hussein, maybe
Yes.
you can open the CM4 single board version page. Main board, and then click on the CM4. Yeah, if you want to buy the single board only, you can come
Oh, okay.
come here lah.
So we have, I think, at the moment, we have
For
one
variation only
for
lah.
variation, yep.
Yeah. Before this, all no stock. So now we have ready stock.
Yep. Right. So that's about the let me see the name again, the mini base A board. So if you're interested in CM4 and you want to explore it, so definitely for CM4 you need a carrier board. So you can try to purchase this, and if you're planning to use it for some applications, so definitely you can get the complete set. So it'll be useful. Will be easier for you to handle it, right? So okay, we have some from Mr. Lim. Hi, Mr. Lim. Thanks for joining.
Yes.
And I think we talked. I mean, during that time you shared your experience using it. So now we are bringing this product because we have some variation. So a different combination. So that's why we are talking about this now. And it's running. Oh, you're using it for OME as my home file server. Oh, good.
What is OMV? Yeah?
OME, yeah, I can. OME something like I can. Maybe later Mr. Lim can answer for the OMV. Right. So let's move to the next product for today. So the next product for today is the Soldering Tips Kit. So I think everyone usually we used for. Okay, I think we have the answer for just now. The OMV is the Open Media Vault.
Open Media Vault. Oh, I don't know about that.
Maybe we can explore later.
Okay.
Alright, so for the soldering tips kit, so usually we use I think everyone, if you're into soldering, we usually use one type of tips only. But actually for different different size of the soldering, usually it is best to use a different tip actually.
Yes.
Because most of the time it won't suit. I mean, if you're soldering a larger component or parts, you need a larger tip usually. That will make your work easier. But then usually I myself will stick to one kind of tip only. So now we have this soldering tip kits. So if you're purchasing this, then you'll have access to how many? We have this one, right?
12.
12.
12.
So you have 12 different kind of soldering tips.
And then you also get 3 different what we call roughness of sandpaper.
Sandpaper.
Yeah. So we have medium, fine, rough. And then we also you also get the clean clothes to clean the tips. Then the sponge. And then yeah, actually I have the product with me.
Oh, you
So
have the product. Okay.
if you buy this, you will also get the same lah. You will get the ebook. So
Oh, this one is an ebook
I
also.
cannot open because it is sealed. So
Oh, it's okay.
yeah, if you buy this, you will get the one like catalog lah. You need to download the ebook, and then maybe it will teach you how to use this or how to solder. I'm not sure.
Or maybe if they have like how to solder using the different 12 kind of tips, will be good also. Yeah. Alright, we don't talk about this one because this everyone already I think familiar with soldering, right? So yeah, I mean soldering tip is important to get a better soldering. If you're using already like damaged or very old soldering tip, sometimes it can affect your soldering. Because I used to solder, so I feel like sometimes after quite some time, I also used to change the tip, but not very often. After maybe few years, then I'll change the tip as well. So the actual price for this product is 35 ringgit, and currently we are having 20% off for this product. So you can try to grab this. You can try to grab this at 28 ringgit. So we have nine in stock, and we have 12 more days before the offer ends. So if you're into soldering and you want to explore different kind of the soldering tip, so this will be the good time to grab this kit. Right, so let's move to the next product. Yeah, this one is the young.
Let me talk about this lah. For this one, this is not a new product lah. This is e-course. What can I say? Online class lah, online learning course. So this one is conducted by Arus Academy. If you don't know, maybe you can search Arus Academy. Actually, we work closely lah. So we provide the component. They provide the learning stuff, learning resource. So they come out with 2 e-course, which is the first one is YMC Young Maker Club. This is for Arduino, and then we have another one which is the Junior Maker Club. This one is for microbit. So it depends lah. If the kids prefer Arduino, you can go to this e-course. If for usually primary lah, they will go for JMC Junior Maker Club. So yeah, if you buy, you can buy the e-course here with the learning kit, and then Arus will email you the lesson lah. So the lesson will include the challenge. I'm not sure about the resource, but for the e-course part, the more details on that, you can ask Arus lah. So we provide the learning kit. Maybe you can click on the second option.
So these are the learning kit.
This is the learning kit for YMC. So it comes with 10 lessons, so you can learn how to work. You will learn about input, output, analog, digital.
I think from the basic, right? From basic until you are able to do some project, something.
At the end, you can make a mobile robot lah. So you can see here we got the maker drive, right? Motor driver.
Yeah, maker drive. We have the maker drive.
Yes.
So actually, usually for kids, this one is quite useful lah, because some parents they do look for the they want to have a learning class. I mean, they not only want to buy the kit only, they want to buy the kit and also to have a something like a lesson. So this one will be the best option. So like Hairil mentioned just now, you have like two options. This is for the young maker club, for the age of 12 to 16, and the junior maker club, which is from 10 to 14 years old. So it depends. The age is just a guide. But even if you're interested, if you want to know about this, the age won't be any barrier.
Even if you are already 60 years old, you're interested in learning.
Actually, we have
microbit.
we have a customer, Mr.
Yeah,
Kevin.
yeah.
I think he's 60, and he's learning about microbit.
Oh.
Yeah, we met him in one of the exhibition. So it's very good to met him actually, and he's in our maker gathering group also. So it's good. And okay, and also for both also there is a kit. So these are the different kits. One is for the microbit and one is for the Arduino, which is using the Maker Uno. So the price are different here. So you're not seeing any discount here. So this one is only
The
the price.
discount is only for the bundle. If you buy learning kit with e-course, you will get
the 3%
10
discount
ringgit discount lah. Same lah for both e-course.
for both e-course. Yep.
Yes.
Right. So I think that's about the product that we have for today.
Yeah. So maybe you can proceed to the giveaway.
Yeah. But before that, we have some few comments only. Maybe you can start to open, Hairil. I'll just read from Pro Skit tools all the way. Yeah, but this one I think you're referring to the soldering tips, right?
Yeah.
But this one is from Placebo but yeah, soldering tip. And Arus also at my digital maker fan that they give free microbit. Good.
Wow. Free
For
microbit.
lucky student. I'm
Nice,
older but still I'm interested in learning. Oh, good. I think the learning never stop, Mr. Edward. Learning never stop until even if you're old or young, it doesn't matter. As long as we have the interest to learn, then you can continue learning. Here, okay. Yeah, I think we can go with the giveaway.
Yeah. There's comment from Mr.
Oh,
Lim,
okay.
right?
Slim, okay. Yep. So Mr. Lim say he received the new power supply. Already received
very
it.
fast. Actually, we have stock yesterday, and they terus post, and then
Terus post, yeah.
you get today. It's very fast.
Yep. And also looking forward. Yeah. I think many people are waiting for the Raspberry Pi 5.
Raspberry
So
Pi,
hopefully,
stay tuned.
yeah. And from Techman, yeah. Hi, Techman. Oh, Lucas. Saiful, your internet good tonight. Oh, sorry, Saiful. Hopefully, it will get better. We are about to end also. We are doing the giveaway, then it will be end. Oh, I think everyone is saying here. Okay, Harry, you can start.
Yeah.
I think everyone is waiting for the giveaway.
For tonight, I
think
for tonight, giveaway prize will be the solar panel. Solar panel kan? So solar panel.
Solar
but
panel.
This one doesn't come with wire, so it's up to you lah. How you want to use the solar panel lah. So for this one, we will give 5 winners lah for tonight. So
5 winners.
tonight,
Okay, let's do the.
Tonight got a lot of participant.
Yep.
Okay, for the first winner, let's go for the first winner. You can help to type the winner.
Can.
Oi, Ong malam ni.
Oh,
So the first winner for
kena
today
Roy Chipeng terus.
Roy Chipeng.
First winner, Roy
yeah.
Chipeng.
We don't need to do the countdown.
Yeah.
You all know.
So I think everyone is alert now.
So congrats.
So first winner is Roy Chipeng.
So we have 5 winners for today, and then all winners will get the same prize.
Yep.
Then for the second winner,
Silver Chua. Silver Chua, are you here? I think just now he.
Okay lah. Kita countdown je lah.
Boleh countdown kot.
Okay.
10.
10.
Oh, I already reply.
Okay.
Sekarang ni semua dah alert.
Semua dah alert.
Okay,
So,
congrats Silver Chua.
Congrats. Let's go for the third winner.
Okay, let's go for the third winner. Solamek.
Solamek. Are you here? If you are here, please respond. So,
Oh, we can start the countdown. 10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4, 3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Yeah,
Yeah, no reply.
so
But,
no reply.
Yeah,
No reply. I will remove Solamek. I think Rochipeng got some jokes for tonight. Solamek get solar panel. Okay.
But I think
So
from
let's go.
YouTube also they can reply, Rochi. But
Yeah,
I'm not
can,
sure. They can reply, but no response. Oh, we have
So
new
for the
winner.
third winner is Ian Ngoh.
Ian Ngo. Are you here, Ian Ngo?
Ian Ngoh. Oh.
Tekno baru reply tapi dah lambat dah, Solar Mac.
So how? I maybe can ask others lah if they see the comment just now.
Just now. When countdown dah keluar tak komen? They just try to give us.
Sebab kami tak nampak komen teko tadi.
Ian Ngo bela land
No.
Oh, I replied before the countdown
Okay.
end just now. So how boleh?
Maybe delay lah, delay. Okay.
Can lah. So third winner
So
is
the winner is Solamek lah.
Solar Mac.
Then fourth winner, Belalan, are you Ian Ngoh? I need-
Please answer.
Need
Need
to
to
confirm that.
So third winner is Solar Mac. So for the fourth,
No confirmation lah.
if anyone know, like if maybe some of your friend is Bella Land is, betul lah.
Okay.
Bella
So
already reply so is so you
That's,
put Bella Land lah. Or you put
can.
Ian Ngo
Belalan lah.
Bella Land lah, because I think we are already familiar with you, Bella Land. So
Okay. So
okay, fourth
Belalan
winner is Bella
winner.
Land. So we go for the fifth winner.
Last winner for tonight.
Sung Peng Siang. So this is the
Sung
first time
Peng
we are
Siang.
hearing your name.
Yes.
Are you with us? I'm not sure if you're with us. So if you're
Please.
watching us, so please respond.
Please respond. Yeah.
Usually we do
So-
countdown until 10 to countdown from 10 so you need to respond within that.
Yes. So let's start.
Yep.
10,
10,
9,
9,
8,
8,
7,
7,
6,
6,
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2,
1.
1.
Okay. Bye.
Right.
So let's go
Maybe
for
he's not
the
familiar lah with us.
Okay. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, we have.
Belalan. Same
Ni tak boleh
name.
lah. Tadi dah. Kena.
Kejap.
Okay, let's
Let's
do the
go for
final
another
spin. Candy Wong. Rasa Candy Wong ada kot tadi. Baru je jawab.
Baru je
dah
komen.
menang, baru je.
Baru je
Don't need to
komen.
do countdown.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah, you also lucky lah.
You're so lucky.
Yeah, so Candy Wong is the last winner for
Fifth
tonight.
winner for today.
So for others, can try again next NPI live.
Yep.
Yeah.
So thanks for all the participants. So as usual, contact our genies and provide the details to us so that we'll be able to post the giveaway to you. So today I think we have a very good session today, and hopefully whatever info we have shared today so will be mostly beneficial. And if you have any question and which you might have not asked today during this session, you can always come to our genies and ask the question, and we'll be very happy to answer your question. And yeah, from Candy One, I think okay. Before that, Saiful, congrats, great input today. Thanks, Saiful. And from Candy One, only solar panel. Yeah, only solar panel. There's no wire. You need to solder the wire. I mean, it's up to you how you wanna do it. And from Mr. Lim, good night. Yeah, good night, Mr. Lim. Thanks for joining. And thanks everyone. I think we already exceed from our time that we put that 45 minutes. It's already uh 10. It's already 10 o'clock now, so I think everyone is planning to go to sleep. It's because today is a working day. So thanks everyone for joining, and hopefully we will have a better NPI live in the next NPI, and we'll come up with a better product.
Yes. So signing off
From you. Signing off from you. Sign off from me, Hussein.
And me, Hairi. Bye bye.
Right, bye bye.